Bye.
My name is Cheryl Uzamere. I prepared a petition for a writ of certiorari to the Supreme Court of the United States because my 14th Amendment right to equal protection under the law as a mentally disabled American citizen was violated by New York State Justices Jeffrey S. Sunshine, Arthur M. Schack, and Federal District Judge Nicholas G. Garifas in order to hide immigration attorneys Alan E. Kay's, Harvey Shapiro's, and Jack Gladstein's criminal facilitation of my ex-husband's commission of identity fraud. Because the New York State Supreme Court and the Federal District Court discriminated against me because I am mentally disabled, my rights were violated by the following entities: the New York State Office of Mental Health, the New York State Departmental Disciplinary Committee for the First Judicial Department, staff writer Scott Schifrell of the Daily News, New York State Justice Jeffrey S. Sunshine, New York State Justice Arthur M. Schack, Federal District Judge Nicholas G. Garifas, Attorney Alan E. Kay, Attorney Harvey Shapiro, Attorney Jack Gladstein, Nigerian Senator Ehige Edobor Uzamere, and Attorney Osato Eugene Uzamere. On November 21st, 1979, Nigerian Senator Ehige Edobor Uzamere used the fictitious name Godwin Ehige Uzamere and fictitious birthday June 1st, 1955 to marry me. On November 30th, 1979, immigration attorneys Alan E. Kay and Harvey Shapiro falsely represented my ex-husband as Godwin Ehige Uzamere on the I-130 immediate relative sponsorship forms. Shortly thereafter, my ex-husband abandoned me. When he left me, I was pregnant with his daughter, Tara A. Uzamere. I allege that Alan E. Kay and Harvey Shapiro arranged for the New York City Human Resources Administration to make sure that Ehige never paid spousal support or child support. My family stayed on welfare, and I eventually had to put my children in foster care because I had no money to care for them. No municipal or state agency helped me to obtain spousal support or child support from Senator Uzamere, even though I gave both the Department of Social Services and the U.S. Immigration and Naturalization Service information regarding where my husband was going to school and where he lived. When I filed for divorce from my ex-husband, I applied for spousal and child support. However, the court gave me nothing, even though my ex-husband never came to court and never filed an answer. My ex-husband is a multi-millionaire and I am disabled. I allege that the New York State Supreme Court judges and other courthouse sources conspired with Scott Schifrell of the Daily News to illegally disclose my psychiatric information and the falsified counter-affidavit that Alan E. Kay, Harvey Shapiro, Jack Gladstein, and Osato Eugene Uzamere used to facilitate my ex-husband's commission of identity fraud. As of June 2011, Federal District Court Judge Nicholas G. Garifas conspired with the U.S. Marshal Service for the Eastern District of New York to tell my psychiatric providers that I threatened Judge Garifas with bodily harm. Judge Garifas did this to prevent me from filing an appeal against his illegal decision that I filed against the attorneys who facilitated my ex-husband's crime of identity fraud. Because of Judge Garifas' lie, I was forced into Brookdale Hospital as a psychiatric inpatient.